Brian Grimm. Another lesson for you here today. Intermediate level for God Can. This is the great song by Doyle Lawson and Quicksilver. It has a dobro kickoff, and then there is also a dobro bridge and a dobro outro. The second half of the bridge and the outro are just like the intro, at least the one that I'm teaching you today. This is one that's going to be playable for you right away, and I'm just going to play through the intro right now, and it goes like this. That's it. Okay, it goes with open fourth string. Then you hammer onto the fourth string, second fret. Now you leave that bar on there, and you pluck the third string open. Then you pluck the fourth string, second fret. Then you pluck the third string open, and then you hammer onto the third string, second fret. Then you hit the second string open. Then you hit the third string, second fret. Then you hit the second string open and then bar onto the first fret. Then you hit it goes like this. And when you hit that second string, first fret, then you hit the first string open. That's buying you some airtime to get your hand up here to then hit the first string on the fifth fret, which is the B. And it complements the 4, which is an E in the key of B. And so it's going to come up to here. And then you hit, or I hit the second string and the fourth string barred on the fifth fret. And just a side note, you can almost hear Frere Jacques in that. But we'll go on. The second half of the intro goes like this. You start out on the second string open, and you're going to walk that scale up to the first string. So you're going to hit the first string open, second string open, second string, first fret, second string, second fret, and then first string. Okay, it goes like this. That's your work on your second string. Then the work on your first string is, and now you're going to complement each other, and you're going to go back to hit the open second string, and then you hammer onto the first fret. Now keep that bar down because it's going to do some work in the scale pattern, working from the first string through the second string and down to the third string, which gets you back down to the B. That it's kind of it's going to do a weave and sew it back down here to the B. And as I remind you, try to finish if you're soloing and you're just improvising, whatever you're doing. If you listen to the big guys, they end their breaks or their intros, unless they're going into a seventh or something and it's a key change. Try to end all of your songs or your breaks in the key that it's in, okay? So if you're walking it through the 4 and then the 5 and the 4 and then back to the 1, always end in the 1. Don't leave it, don't end your break up here. Don't end your break here. End it here. You hear that? You're weaving that break right back into the song. Okay, the second half again goes like this. And again, you're starting that second half of your intro in the open second string, hammer on first string, pluck it on the first fret, hammer on to the you should be able to pluck each one of those, keeping your bar down on the second string. Second string open, second string first fret, second string second fret. Your first string work is, so that's hitting it open, barring on, hammering on, and then pulling off. When I'm doing it, I'm plucking with the bar. And I'm using my thumb and my middle finger on those. I don't know if you can't see it there. All right. Now, the second half of the bridge starts off like the chorus. Okay, you're going to start that chorus like this. On the first string, 5th fret, then you go to the first string, 4th fret. I can't sing in that key. And then I hit the 2nd string and the 4th string on the 5th fret. And then I go to the 3rd string and the 5th string on the 7th fret. Then the 3rd string and the 5th string on the 5th fret. And if you want to sound like the vocal, then I go. Okay. That is 3rd string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret. There's a couple of different ways to play this, and if you want to play more melodic, if you want to, maybe if you're doing that bridge, and that's also the chorus. And if you'll notice on the original recording, the first half is and the second half are split, and the dobro takes the second half of that. Now, there's another way to play that chorus portion, and I like to. I do a lot of stuff on, if you can memorize a kind of a scale pattern here of the third string and the fourth string open, along with the sixth string. Now, if you want to get really start really grinding it out and maybe play a little harder, more aggressive, or maybe you're trying to get your point across. If you hit here, this is a flat seventh. You recognize this. Okay, that's going to help you memorize that. All right, so using that same third and fourth string, you can see these. You go up to your 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret. They're doing a little 7 minor in that lyric turnaround, and so you can grind it out like this. Okay, guys, have fun. If you have any questions, just DM me on Facebook. And God bless. We'll see you around.